One lecturer who is important to me is Miss Susie. She is my lecturer in speaking class at my university. She really helps me to improve my English speaking skill. Before joining her class, my speaking was not good and I often felt shy to talk. When I do oral assignment, she always checks and corrects my speaking carefully. With her correction, I can learn from my mistake and speak more clearly. She also supports me and gives motivation to be more confident when I speak. Because of her, my speaking becomes better, and I feel more comfortable to express my ideas in English. In short, Miss Susie is important to me because she helps me grow in speaking and give me confidence to keep learning. The university announced that it will end its bus service and give all students a £50 pass for public transportation. The female student disagrees with this new policy because she thinks it will be horribly inconvenient. First of all, she explained a problem for students going to the DeWolf Science Center. There is no public transportation that goes there, so getting there will require a 20 minutes walk through some bad neighborhoods in the city. In addition, she disagrees with the idea that the policy will help create more interaction between students and local residents. She argues that £50 is not much money. It will only pay for about 1 month of subway or bus passes. Therefore, most students will not be able to afford the public transportation and will be forced to walk everywhere. The reading explained that pictographs, which were pictures of real objects, changed over time to become the basis for modern writing. As they become simpler, they started to represent abstract ideas and phonetic sound. The professor provides two examples from the Roman alphabet to show this change. The first example is the letter A. It started as an ancient Egyptian pictograph of a bull head over many generations. The A and details disappear. The horns and the bull on the bull's head become the two sticks on the letter A, and the head looks like a triangle. The second example is the letter A. It began a simple stick figure of a person praying. The symbol was rotated and a part of the image was lost today. Today, the three horizontal lines of the letter A are what is left of the person's two arms and head. The lecture discusses the paradox of technology. This paradox occurs when a new technology is supposed to make life easier, but actually has the opposite of effect and makes life more complicated. First, the professor gives the example of universal remote controls. Many electronic devices come with their own remote, so the universal remote was invented to use only the one control for everything. However, it is complicated because you must program it yourself by reading a manual for hours. After that, you must remember which buttons do what, or you need to read the manual again. Second, the professor talks about mobile phones. Phones are becoming very small, lightweight, and easy to carry. But as the phones get smaller, the buttons also get smaller. Many people find they cannot easily use the tiny buttons and keep dialing wrong numbers by mistake.